Begin by removing the screws on the belt guard, keeping in mind one screw is on the back side. Using a 19mm wrench, loosen the two nuts holding the flywheel on. There are two hidden Allen screws that need to be removed. You need to position the holes on the crank pulley over these screws to remove them. Using a 13mm wrench, loosen the tensioning bolt on both sides of the flywheel. Using a 6mm Allen key, remove the bolt holding in the brake pad. Push the flywheel forward to remove the belt tension. Walk the belt off the crank pulley and lift the flywheel to remove the belt. Reverse the steps to install the new drive belt. To get the belt properly tensioned, adjust the tension bolts on both sides of the flywheel equally so the distance from the center of the crank bolt and the center of the flywheel axle equals 480mm. If you haven't purchased this tool from Johnson Health Tech, you can also use a tape measure to measure 480mm. Continue to make adjustments to the tension bolt until the proper distance has been reached. Once 480mm has been reached, visually check to make sure the flywheel is straight, then tighten the nut on the flywheel axles. Finally, ride the bike standing up, sitting down, and using tension from the brake pad to ensure the bike works properly.